Welcome back to our channel where we explore different ways to improve our lives. In today's video, we're going to discuss a topic that affects many of us: negative habits and addictions. We'll explore some strategies for overcoming these challenges, including seeking support and practicing self-compassion. But, at first, we'll see the importance of overcoming negative habits and addictions. Overcoming negative habits and addictions is critical for our overall well-being and quality of life. Negative habits and addictions can have severe consequences on our physical and mental health, relationships, and daily functioning. They can lead to a sense of powerlessness, shame, and guilt. By overcoming negative habits and addictions, we can regain control of our lives, improve our self-esteem, and enhance our relationships. Overcoming negative habits and addictions also means breaking the cycle of addiction and the negative patterns that accompany it. It can help us develop new coping mechanisms and healthier ways to manage stress and emotions. Moreover, it can help us identify and address underlying issues that may be contributing to our negative habits and addictions, such as trauma, mental health conditions, or relationship problems. By overcoming negative habits and addictions, we can also model healthy behaviors for our loved ones and inspire them to seek help if needed. It can improve our sense of purpose and meaning in life, as we start to prioritize our well-being and pursue our goals and passions. In summary, overcoming negative habits and addictions is crucial for our physical, mental, and emotional health, as well as our relationships and daily functioning. It requires effort, patience, and support, but the rewards are immense. Now we'll explore some strategies for overcoming these challenges, including seeking support and practicing self-compassion. Understanding negative habits and addictions. Before we can overcome negative habits and addictions, it's essential to understand what they are and how they affect our lives. Negative habits and addictions are behaviors that are harmful to us or others, and that we find challenging to control or stop. These behaviors can include substance abuse, overeating, procrastination, and more. They can have serious consequences on our physical and mental health, our relationships, and our overall well-being. Strategies for overcoming negative habits and addictions. There are various strategies for overcoming negative habits and addictions. Here are some effective ones. Seek support. It's crucial to reach out to family, friends, or professionals for support. Support can help us stay motivated, accountable, and provide us with new perspectives and strategies. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and gentle with yourself, even when you fall off track. Negative self-talk can make it harder to overcome negative habits and addictions. Instead, focus on positive self-talk, self-care, and self-compassion. Identify triggers. Recognize what triggers your negative habits and addictions and create a plan to avoid or manage them. Set realistic goals. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps, and celebrate your progress along the way. Replace negative habits with positive ones. Find new, healthier habits to replace your negative ones. For example, instead of reaching for a cigarette, go for a walk or practice deep breathing. In conclusion, overcoming negative habits and addictions can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Seek support, practice self-compassion, identify triggers, set realistic goals, and replace negative habits with positive ones. Remember, change takes time, effort, and patience. Believe in yourself, and you can overcome anything. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.